Learner. Hello learner. Yesterday we have started the hardware. In the hardware we are going to be start with the input devices. In the input devices we have completed the which one? Keyboard. Next we have a mouse. What is the mouse? Why we are going to be using the mouse? Today we will start. How many input devices we have? There here is the list. First input device will be keyboard, already completed. Next input device mouse. Second input device joystick. Third input device light pen, trackball, scanner, graphic tablet, microphone, magnetic ink, card reader, optical character reader, barcode reader, optical mark reader. This is the mark. Yesterday we have already completed the keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device. Means in every computer, laptop, normally popularly we are going to be using the which input device? Keyboard. Without keyboard we cannot enter. Suppose if you are using the Android mobile, there also we are going to be displaying it. If you want to enter the text, if you want to place the special symbols, if you want to place the numbers, keypad is available on the particular Android phone also. This is the keyboard. See here, keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which helps to input the data to the computer. Means what is the use of this one? We are going to be inputting the data. The layout of the keyboard is like a traditional typewriter. Means we are, typewriter how it is look. Similar way, it should be traditionally typewriter looks like it. Although there are some additional keys are provided performing additional functions. Means it is similar to the typewriter only. There we are going to be adding some additional features. What are the features? Function keys we have already seen. Cursor keys also we have already seen. That are the function keys we are going to be added here. See here. What are the keys are there in the keyboard? First one is the typing keys. These keys included the letters A to Z and digit keys 0 to 9 numbers we are going to be using to enter the data. Next, numerical keypad. It is used to enter the numerical data or cursor movement. By using numerical keypad, here we are going to be entering the which data? Numerical data or cursor movement. Generally, it consists of a set of 17 keys that laid out the same configuration used the most adding machines and calculators. Means whenever we are going to be using the numerical keypad, here we are going to be using the which one? Cursor keys also available, 0 to 9 numbers also available. Additionally, they are going to be using the plus operator, plus symbol, minus, division symbol, like that. These are the keys are available in numerical keypad. Next one is the function keys. There are 12 function keys to represent on the keyboard, which are arranged in a row of the top of the keyboard. Means on the top of the first row we have a which keys? Function keys. Each function keys has a unique meaning. Means each and every key has a unique meaning and it is used for the specific purpose. Means depending upon the operating system, depending upon the usage, it should be changing, varying. That is the use of the function keys. Next one is the control keys. In the control keys, these are the keys provided by the cursor and screen control. It includes the directional arrow keys, control keys, like which keys we have a control keys. First one is the home button. By using that we are going to be placing the home, end button, insert button, delete button, page up, page down, control, alternate, escape keys are there in control keys. Means by using that we are going to be controlling the page. Next, special purpose keys. In the special purpose keys, here we are going to be using the which buttons? Enter button, shift button, caps lock, numerical lock if you are using, space bar, tab, print screen. These are the screens we are going to be using. By using print screen option, we are going to be taking the screenshots. Next input device will be mouse. Mouse is the most popular pointing device. It is very famous cursor control device having a small form. Means it is similar to the form, means hand size box, round ball in a base. Means here we have in the base we have a round ball. Nowadays ball is not available. One light will be indicating in the latest mouses. which senses the move to the mouse and sends the corresponding signals to the CPU. Then the mouse button are pressed. Means whenever we are going to be pressing, it is sending to the information to the CPU. Generally, it has a two buttons called left and right buttons. Each and every mouse will have a right button. This one is the left button. This one is the right button. This one is the left button. A mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor. Means by using that, here we are going to be placing the position of the cursor. We are going to be placing. See, we can open this some page. We need to see the position. See here. Here, if you are using the, here we are going to be placing the first letter. Suppose we are going to be placing the mouse pointer here, means we need to place anywhere in the, directly we need to move the cursor pointer, then directly we need to place this. In this way we are going to be placing the cursor. Next, a mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Means we are going to be placing the cursor on the screen, but it cannot be used to enter the text into the computer. Means what is the use of the mouse? We are going to be controlling the page only, and we are going to be placing the position of the cursor only. We are not going to be entering the text. That is the use of the mouse. Next, we can see the advantages. It is easy to use. Means directly, suppose we are in 100 page. We need to go to the first page of the first page, first line means directly we need to place, move on the page, directly we need to place the cursor. This is the way of to moving the cursors, mouse pointer. Next, not very expensive, means it is a cheaper. Move the cursor faster, arrow keys, means in the keyboard if you are using the cursor keys, it will be very slow. If you are using the mouse, means it should be very fast. That is the use of the advantage. Next, input device will be joystick. Joystick is also pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. It is similar to the mouse only. Then what is the use? Joystick is also pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. Means it is placing the cursor position. It is a stick having spear ball. Means see here, this is the joystick. Spear ball is there. Then we are going to be placing the cursor position. Then the lower special ball move the socket. Means lower special base will be moving the socket. Joystick can be moved in all four directions. Means left and right, top, bottom, like that. All the directions it should be moving. This function of the joystick is similar to that of a mouse. It is mainly used in the computer-aided design. Means in the research departments, we are going to be using the which input device? Joystick input device. Normal mouses we are not going to be using there. Next one is the light pen. Already we have seen in nowadays Samsung S6 Lite. They are providing the tab will be providing the light pen. By using that pen, we are going to be opening the, by touching, by writing, we are going to be placing the some data also. We are going to be inputting the data also. We are writing the data. We are going to be giving the some signatures also by using light pen. Light pen is a positioning device similar to a pen. It is used to select the display menu, item, draw the pictures. We are going to be drawing the pictures, and it consisting of a photocells and optical systems placed on a small tube. Means in the light pen, which type of technology is available? Photocells are available. Optical system is placed in a small tube. By using that, we are going to be writing the data. We are going to be operating the screens. When the tip of the light pen move on the monitor screen, the pen button is pressed. It is photocells sensing the element detect the screen. Means photocells will be detecting the screen and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. That is the use of the light pen. Next, trackball. Trackball is an input device. It is mostly used in notebooks and laptop computers, where we are going to be using notebooks we are going to be using, and laptops. Instead of using mouse, this is the ball we are going to be, instead of using mouse. Directly we are going to be moving the data. Means we are going to be moving the cursor position. Since the whole device is not moved, the trackball requires a less space than the mouse. Means it is a small size is available, and we are going to be placing, it should be occupy the very less space. Trackball comes in various shapes like a ball, button and square. How many shapes is available? Trackball. First one ball type, second will be button type, third will be square shape. Next scanner. In normally whenever we are going to be visiting the Mi-Sevas or professional couriers, there we are going to be seeing the scanners. Scanner is an input device which works like a photocopy machine. Means it is similar to the Xerox. It is used when it is similar to the Xerox copy only. It is used to some information available on the paper and transformed into the hard disk. Means we are going to be storing the data on the computer. That is the use of the scanner. Scanner captures the images source which are then converted into the digital form, can be stored on the disk. Means the data will be converted into which form? Digital form. Then we are going to be storing the data on the disk. Means in the memory we are going to be storing. In the next class we can see the remaining input devices. Thank you, one and all.